In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add PayPal Smart Button on Shopify. This is a simple process, and it helps you place a PayPal Smart Button on your Shopify store so customers can check out smoothly. As you follow along, keep your store page open in your browser and make sure you are logged into your Shopify admin. If you have not created the PayPal Smart Button code yet, you should have that ready before you begin this step because we will paste it in shortly. First, click Online Store. This is where Shopify groups the settings and design tools for what your customers actually see. When you click it, you will likely see options related to themes and customizations. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct section before moving on, because the next actions will affect your theme layout. Next, click Edit Theme. This will open the theme editor, and this is where you can add new content blocks to your store. Choosing Edit Theme matters because it gives you access to the templates and sections that control where the Smart Button will appear. Now, under Template, click Add Section. In many Shopify themes, Template is an area that lets you choose what kind of content you are adding and where it belongs. Clicking Add Section is the point where you tell Shopify to include an additional component. If you see a drop-down or a panel, make sure you are selecting an option for adding a new section, not modifying existing content. After that, click Custom Liquid. This is the option that lets you insert your PayPal Smart Button code directly into the page. Custom Liquid is useful because it supports custom HTML and script elements, which is exactly what many payment widgets use. When you choose Custom Liquid, Shopify will prepare a space where you can paste your code. Then add your PayPal Smart Button code. Carefully paste the code into the Custom Liquid area. Make sure the entire snippet goes in as provided. It is important to avoid missing characters or leaving out part of the code, because even small changes can prevent the button from displaying or functioning properly. Once the code is pasted, double-check that the content looks complete inside the editor. If the code contains script tags or button configuration lines, those should remain intact. Finally, click Save. Saving confirms the changes and applies the new section with your PayPal Smart Button to the theme. After you click Save, take a moment to wait for Shopify to update, and then you can test how it looks on the storefront. If you have a preview option, you can use it to confirm the Smart Button appears in the correct location before showing it to real visitors. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.